If you're stuck between iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro, then this video will save you 50,000 rupees. Let's get into it. The 15 Pro Max is selling for about 1,50,000 plus rupees, and the 16 Pro is for about 1,10,000 rupees. So, is it worth it? Let's get into it. Let's discuss performance. The 16 Pro Max has the newer A18 Pro chip, which is faster and more efficient. So, if you're into gaming or editing on your phone, then this will for sure bring a smoother performance. Now, let's discuss battery. The 15 Pro Max has better, bigger charger for about 4400 mAh battery, whereas the 16 Pro has around 3000 plus mAh battery. So, if you compare the battery life, I feel 15 Pro Max wins. But here's the catch. In 16 Pro, there's something called as wireless charging, which is about 15 to 25 watt, which tops up. But still, I would say battery life, when you compare it, 15 Pro Max is much better. So let's get into the main part, the camera. Both phones have 48 MP main camera, but the 16 Pro has better ultra wide sensor, which is mainly for low light shots and better ultra wide landscapes. For regular users, though, differences are very minor, I would say. Now let's discuss design and display. The 16 Pro is lighter and slimmer with better frames. But if you compare the display, the 15 Pro Max is bigger, which is about 6.7 inch, and 6.3 is of 16 Pro. So it actually depends on how you want the display, and based on your comfort zone. If you want a lighter phone, then you can go for 16 Pro, but if you want a much better display, then definitely 15 Pro Max. So let's discuss the pros of iPhone 16 Pro. I feel iPhone 16 Pro has the new chip, then it's lighter compared to 15 Pro Max, and also it has faster wireless charging. It has a better ultra wide camera. Let's discuss cons of 16 Pro. You will lose out on battery life, to be honest, and the screen size is quite small when compared to that of 15 Pro Max. So let's discuss the deal breaker. So, if you're already having 15 Pro Max, keep it. But if you have an older version of iPhone, then 16 Pro would be a better option. Otherwise, 15 Pro Max still kills it.